Chaos prevailed in RIMS after police personnel made derogatory remarks at students admitted in connection with INPS agitation. A man was stabbed to death at Lilong while another was shot dead in Aimol, Ngairong in Chandigarh district. And former RIMS director Dr. Sekharjit has been refused to take charge as 3 weeks' time given by High Court has not been completed. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandra Wangkemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. There was chaos in the I-ward of RIMS this morning after police personnel allegedly made derogatory remarks at the students admitted to the hospital in connection with the ILPS agitation. Sources at the hospital said the students became agitated and broke some articles inside the ward this morning around 6. When a team of Lumphel police came to take them to juvenile home and jail, the students raised their voice against the police and ran helter-skelter on RIMS campus. Some of them fainted and were admitted to RIMS emergency ward. The mother of the student said the chaos erupted after police personnel used abusive language to the student.
Police dress is a laga manung to the Sanjalaga, Angang Jita Mabukta Kompana Kaure, Nata Waika Sizanare, let's have Bijing Massage in Dokana Dore, Unazage Habamatam, the Moina, Smaitokana. Let's have Bijing Katumina Rugano and Anganga, Chikumba Waika, Buxizanare, Manunda, Azaki Moina Saropada, Aquina Mayamina Contranta Bongam, the Mojo Quina Tantore, no, the Anganjinje, Saugana Masajida. Attention one, Behele, Anganji Wanda Yangare, Aduna Quina, Moja Quina Tantore, Tantokor Matundaki, Siki crime, I'm just mind Tole.
Well, in a very shocking incident, a 70-year-old man has raped a minor girl in a boarding located at Kwagetel Lamdong. The accused has been identified as Konjengbam Nupamacha, 70. Enraged residents of the locality today demolished a GS boarding at Kwagetel Lamdong under Sinjai police station after the incident came into light. Konjengbam Nupamacha, who is the caretaker of the boarding, repeatedly raped the minor girl who was studying in the boarding. GS boarding is run by Konjengbam Prembala, daughter of the accused. The incident came to light when the minor girl reading in nursery narrated a story to her parents on the 19th of this month. A 25-year-old man was stabbed to death at Lilong Thong Ajoba last night around 8. Police has arrested one of the accused. The victim is identified as Kontojum Sanjoy, son of Kontojum Joy of Lilong Arapti Thongkong. The accused Haubijam Atoba, son of Ahemba of Thanga Karang Maninglekai in Bishnupur district, stabbed Sanjoy at a bus stand on the north of Lilong Thong Ajoba. Sanjoy's body bore a stabbed wound on the right side of the abdomen and 2 behind the left ear. A JC has been formed in connection with the murder. Convener of the JC, Soibam Biramani, said another person who came with Atoba escaped, and Atoba, upon interrogation, revealed that Haubijam Nauba of Thanga Karang Maninglekai asked them to carry the act. JC demanded to arrest the culprit within 3 days.
Akoi JC na hausik pamjari bese Mr. Sanjoy gi miyachi gi mari ledena hauji phaba phangdriba Mr. Nauba hariba ni pase koi pharaga Atuba matamda aangi besarak pinaba police tigi atuba action lokon naba koi tamjari koi numi humni ge manangda hari ni pase koi puthokpi ge dabani ma pharaga koi puthoga aangi besarak pidri phawbuti koi asi basi koi logje kiroi kanagama third party ma mapana thabak tawi haidna siri Haubijam Athoba mitegi statement gi sorako phangjo statement ge koina khangja hore har ni pase atu matamda police ne book tobiraga daka leba aangi besarak pibi naba strongly koi propose togjari.
An unidentified miscreant shot a person and hurled bombs and fired at a house today in Aimol, Ngairong village. The incident occurred early this morning around 4 at Aimol, Ngairong village under Technopol police station in Chandigarh district. The deceased is identified as Walung Lua Aimol, 50 years, son of late Wanoi Lua Aimol. The unidentified miscreants captured Walung and carried him till his cousin S. Alingchung's house. They shot him in the head near the courtyard of his cousin. Later, the miscreant also fired and hurled grenade at Alingchun's house. A team of Tawal Commando led by OCCH Anand and Assam Rifles rushed to the spot and searched the area. Now, the health of a full batch of fasting students at Ananda Singh Higher Secondary Academy has deteriorated. The condition of Cage Malim Nganvi Chanu of TG Higher Secondary School is said to be deteriorating. Convener of Fasting Students Protection Committee of surrounding clubs at Ananda Singh Higher Secondary Academy, R.K. Itocha, refuted the allegation made by Health Director Dr. Oi Bomcha that an ambulance was damaged while it was on its way to pick up the fasting students from Ananda Singh Academy and Lairik Yemam Lekai. He appealed to the director to specify the date, time and place of the incident.
Ambulance to Maming Tau ground Gimanaka Ama Pali. Akwishidi Ananda Singh Academy Tana Chatpada Haida Mahaiba. At the Karawa, the Roma part to Hairataba. At the Koi Lady Committee, Mimi Amzina, pressed the Pombi Eva Pau to Yam Pegway. Akway was involved over Malali, Kayumatam to Malande. Masimatangi, Pasanauta, Sendu Piraknava, Marilena Navada, hiding ba. At some the one of Honaraga, Quenazo, ambulance to Waibo in Ningana, medical department, ambulance salary had. So that Sarai, Amzina, Kayumatam, which social Laponina. The
fast unto death by Laimayum Krishna Kumar Sharma of Tangriban Yunam Lekai Watham Ledak has entered the second day today. He has been undergoing indefinite hunger strike near the Thau ground. Members of Tangriban United Club and members of several organizations are looking after him. After the arrest of two protesters who are on fast unto death at Chingmerong, two protesters have begun indefinite fast from today. The two protesters who were arrested by police are Samurai Latpam Krishna Mani Sharma and Ngadoinai Vaifai. Karam Romila and Karam Chinglembi are the protesters who are on fast unto death. Paishamayum Puja of Singjangmei Wangma Ketri Lekai also joined the fast unto death demonstration demanding ILPS in Manipur at Singjangmei Thongkong after police picked up the girl who was fasting earlier. A woman protesters have also begun to fast unto death under the aegis of JCILPS Yaripok Wing and Yaripok Market today. The protester is Naurim Ongbi Pisakmacha Laima, 50 years of wife of Naurim Kala. Mayapaibi members of the area are keeping a vigil on her. 6 members of Online Youth Guidance Forum Lairik Yembam Lekai began fast unto death demanding implementation of ILP system in the state. The forum also took several resolutions which include intensification of ILP movement under the JCILPS if the government does not pass the bill by 25 August. People staged protest in Jiribam demanding ILPS in the state. Meitei Inat Thaugalub Jiribam organized a demonstration in front of Congress Bhavan. Members of the LUB and representatives of various civil society organizations took part in the protest. Coordinating body of ILPS Kurai will hold a public meeting to discuss further course of action in regards to the fast unto death tomorrow at 12:30 at Lamlong Market. Now, employees of Life Insurance Corporation of India Manipur branch staged sit-in at the gate of the office today. The protesters also shouted slogans demanding ILPS in Manipur. The shopkeepers and vendors of Purei Romba Nupi Kaithel Konu Mamang also held protest at the market today. The protesters displayed placards that said implement ILPS, punish police personnel involved in the killing of Sapam Robin Hood.
Manipur government is Henman Maram di kaino hai kana masi sana da pot nati Mizoram da sanari akhoi gi se Nagaland da sanai se atai tai mafam sing da sana ba mafam mayam le greba Jammu and Kashmir da karida adu oiraga di why not Manipur da kai da bugi sana ba yaroi doino makhoi gi di praja gi ai gi praja gi apam basi pami hai badu forward to bi bada adagi yani yaroi hai badu amani forward to badu di tobam thok prai na Manipur government ki khali.
Several clubs, organizations, Maira Pipe associations are offering help to Relief Committee Jenims. The committee in a press release said Alamic Pharmacy Pharma Limited and Aristo Pharmaceutical Private Limited have also extended help to the committee. JC Imphal Moray Road Transporter Association today held a meeting in connection with a violent incident that took place at Moray on the 18th of this month. The meeting resolved to indefinitely block the Imphal Moray Road if the CSOs of Moray does not give assurance not to obstruct transport vehicles and the drivers by the 26th of this month. The meeting also condemned the act of vandalizing vehicles parked on the roadside. Dinesh, who drives a Tata Di on Imphal Moray Road, was a witness to the violence. Sharing his experience, Dinesh expressed his dissatisfaction at the inaction of the police during the violent incident. He demanded adequate compensation from the government for the loss suffered by them.
Policing Jina Moi Kaimta Toktre, Moju Pon Toraga, Lominariba, as I Jina Pon Tori Osida, Jimana Sa, Koi Kulaju Yaude, Koi Kulag Loinana, Lapiro, Puraga, Akoi Data Sangai, Hotian the Lay, Akoi Low Led, Akoi Topo Yadre, it is in a Espina, Tinga, I don't know, them Layo, Horen Loiraga, cannot override. According to the Tainesi Karigino, Mogi release Chapadum, Dang Tainazaraga, Tenazaraga, Taroti Pagadava, Maran Lejetaba, Ade Lakwa, Pan de Changpa Kwaji, Gai to Gaiba, Mayamji, Tamoin this, Matam Kara, Gai Lepa de Kai to Eji, Kwagi Singanba.
Now, news that is making headline today. Former director of RIMS, Dr. S. Sekharjit, has been refused to take charge as the RIMS director on the ground that 3 weeks' time given by the court has not been completed. Dr. Sekharjit came to RIMS this morning around 9:30 a.m. with a joining letter to resume the charge of the director. However, RIMS authority did not allow him to take charge as 3 weeks' time given by the High Court of Manipur has not been completed. The former director submitted the joining report to RIMS Deputy Director Y. Rajendra expressing his willingness to resume work. According to a press release issued by media advisor of RIMS, Dr. Sekharjit cannot hold the post of RIMS Director as there is no official consent from the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The 3 weeks' time given by the High Court of Manipur is yet to be completed as the order was received by the Union Ministry on the 12th of this month. It may be recalled that following a complaint filed against the Union Ministry, the court directed the ministry to take needful action within 3 weeks' time. If no action has been initiated against him within the given period, he will be reinstated as Director RIMS as per the directive of High Court. It is still not clear what will be the fate of RIMS, which is proposed to upgrade to the status of AIMS in such a situation. Knowledge Exchange Network KEN formed a Manipuri diaspora living in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada and Australia has donated Rs 5 lakh to the relief fund of Chief Minister. KEN members handed over the amount at a simple function at the Chief Minister's office. Manipur Relief Association also donated Rs 10,000 to the Chief Minister's relief fund yesterday. People were not too hesitant to pay a higher price for betel leaves, mitha mana, which arrived at Kwarman Bazaar after a long time. Buyers thronged to buy the leaves, which were sold at Rs 1,000 to 1,500 per bundle, which is usually available at Rs 700 per bundle. Buyers crowded the Kasturi Bridge as soon as the leaves reached the market. Hearing the news of selling the leaves at higher price, the city police rushed to the spot to stop the seller from selling it at higher price. In Majid Road, Pauna Bazaar, also police personnel rushed to prevent the seller from selling at higher price and confiscated the betel leaves. Saplings were planted at Macheng Part and complex of 40 Assam Rifles by the people to make Andhra green and pollution-free place. The tree plantation program was jointly organized by Youth Congress Andhra Bloc, NCCA Wing Imphal and 40 Assam Rifles. Andhra Kendra Congress Committee member Ken Singh and 40 Assam Rifle CO Deepak Dayal also took part in the program.
As a part of the Green Manipur campaign which we have launched since last year, we decided to have a tree plantation drive along with the locals and the NCC cadets in this remote area of Andhra. It is our endeavor to save the environment by planting more trees, which we have been doing regularly, and we'll continue it in other places as well. And I thank the locals for their support, all the NCC cadets, the NCC wing, and all persons involved in this who have made this campaign a success.
Time now for a short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chanawankinta. The 8th Imphal West District Badminton Championship, organized by Imphal West District Badminton Association and the Manipur Badminton Association, kicked off today at Indoor Stadium, DM College campus. On the first day, the pair of M. Apanba and M. Voice defeated the pair of A. Bangal and A. Braxt 21-13, 21-16 in under 13 boys doubles event. In 40 years men's double, P. Surjit and R. K. Surjit beat K. Tolan and L. Brojan 21-15, 21-15. In 35-year men's double, T.H. Prem Kumar and K.H. Tom defeated Ronald S. and S. Joy 21-10, 21-12 to enter the next round. 86 players are taking part in the championship, which will continue till the 25th of this month. Now, jerseys for the players of the Trukpu Nambol were distributed today. Trukpu Nambol are the defending champion of the CC Mead. They also won the National Seaway Cup 2005 and 2009, held in Ukrul, runners-up in CC Mead and State League 2009-10. AFC B license holder H. Imo is the coach, and P. Ibo Tombi is the team manager of the team, headed by THJ as team captain.
Trukpu Nambol gi official sing amade sympathizers sing na singi tengbang loina na sangsalali ba Trukpu Nambol gi sigumloba team masi sahi sigi su tongan ba major tournament sing da soidana mai pak na bagi damak akoi haukiba June gi tang tarago humdoi dagi fitness training ga loina na akoi akan ba practice tawdana akoi class tawdana akoi soidana lakliba tournament major tournament sing da mai pak na ba akoi akan ba khong sangsale.
Selection of players to participate in the 43rd Sub-Junior National and Interstate Carom Tournament to be held in Raipur in Chhattisgarh will be conducted. All Manipur Carom Association has asked boys and girls players to come to its office by August 24. Now, before we wrap up, here is a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Chaos prevailed in ranks of the police personnel made derogatory remarks at the students admitted in connection with the ILPS agitation. A man was stabbed to death at Lilong, while another was shot dead in Aimol, Ngairong in Chandel district. And former RIMS director Dr. Sekharjit has been refused to take charge as the 3 weeks time given by the High Court has not been completed.